We are starting off with homemade vanilla extract. It's not too late to do it. Of course, the longer vanilla sits, the better it gets, the more flavorful it gets, but hey, not a bad time to start. All you need is some kind of bottles. I ordered some of these, but I believe dollar stores are good places. Maybe even your pantry. Maybe you have some fancy bottles around, or even jars. Mason jars work great. You probably have some. Just make sure that they are really nice and clean before you use them. You can print out cute labels. I made little labels that says homemade vanilla, super cute. And then order yourself some vanilla beans. My experience is that ordering vanilla beans online is a cheaper route to go than grocery store. But in a pinch, of course, grocery stores work. Bigger stores, the ones where you can buy like lots and lots and lots of large products. I'm not going to name any names, but you know what I mean. They will probably have a better deal on vanilla, though vanilla is very expensive at the moment. But you will need vanilla beans, and then you will need a high proof alcohol. I like to use Everclear for this purpose, or just vodka will totally work. And then just fill that into your bottle. And then all you need to do is take your vanilla bean, and you can do this with your kids, no problem. A sharp knife, and then what we're going to do is we're going to score just into the bean. This will expose the seeds, and we're not scraping anything out. We're just going to make sure that it's open, so should have worn a different shirt, but you know what I mean. Like, you open it up, exposing the beans, and then you will just stick it into your bottle. So as an example, I have these little ones. These make great little gifts. Perfect addition to like maybe a little gift basket with some cookies, or your favorite recipe, cookie recipe or cake recipe book. Place it into your bottle, and then you're just going to top it off with the alcohol. Let's see if I can do this without my glasses. And then we're closing it. And in the beginning, nothing much is going to happen. You can shake this every few days. Keep it around. Eventually, it will get darker and darker. And I even have some from 2019. I have a little selection of them, December 2018. And you can leave the vanilla beans in there. I think it's pretty. Or eventually you can take them out. It does take a little while for this to really absorb and really get dark. But again, label it. It's a beautiful gift. And I hope this will inspire you to make a little bit of vanilla for your baking needs and for your friends and family. Enjoy.